Let's do that one more time. Pajamas, Pillows, and Playhouse Show. Scheduled for one fall, everybody. Now I'm going to be bringing you to the ring over here. He is the Songbird of wrestling and is also everybody's favorite. Put your hands together for Ricky Tenacious.
Let's clap loud enough so we don't have to hear Ricky sing.
I thought you liked Ricky singing.
I love I like his wrestling style. I like him in the ring. Although he is getting better.
That's not hard to do.
Hey, he started from the bottom, and now he's here.
Yeah, but when you say the bottom, we're talking about the lowest depths of the lowest point in the ocean. That's the type of bottom we're talking about.
You say he's like the Mariana Trench?
Yeah, he's in the deepest part of the Mariana Trench. And now, he's like 5 inches off the ground of that depth.
I tell you one thing though, he is rocking that bunny onesie right now though.
I don't know if rocking would be the right term. Now I have to apologize in advance. This is not going to be my wheelhouse in terms of matches.
This is gonna be I've never seen anything like this before.
I'm gonna go out on a limb here. I don't think there's gonna be a lot of subtle techniques that need to be analyzed.
No, this match is between the two biggest divas in Big Valley Wrestling.
I don't think I'm gonna have to reach in to my my book of moves that I have to call. I think it's just gonna be. I don't like it. It's gonna be an interesting match.
And bringing his opponent into the ring by way of Las Vegas, the Sin City Kitty, the Man Diva. Put your hands together for Tommy Purr.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Tommy Purr.
So let me try to call this like a real match.
All right.
So. If I had to describe these two people, as the crowd goes absolutely bonkers for Tommy Purr.
Well, Tommy Purr coming out looking like he's Hugh Hefner in that smoking jacket.
I mean, these two people, these two competitors are divas. And I guess you could call it, one's a classy diva, Tommy Purr, and the other is a trashy diva, Ricky Tenacious.
So basically, you're talking about the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills versus the Real Housewives of Atlanta.
If I watch those types of that type of television, I would say yes. But obviously, I don't. But you have a diva by birth in Tommy Purr and a diva by right in Ricky Tenacious. Because Ricky has worked really, really hard to be called a diva.
He has.
Tommy Purr was just born into it.
Well, Tommy Purr definitely, check out that ring gear. Definitely a little bit of risky business.
Yeah, he's definitely risky business. This will be risky business. I mean, this whole idea is risky business. Now, I'm going to tell you something that I'm going to instantly regret.
What's that?
Because you're going to use it against me in the future.
Maybe.
I had a tuxedo match with Tommy Purr in the very early days of my career. It was maybe the worst match of all time. And it wasn't Tommy's fault. They just put me in a tuxedo match.
Well, they should have kept you in the suit. You kind of rocked that suit there, Muse.
Oh, thank you. But the thing about Tommy Purr,
you're stupid, and all you people who actually like this are stupid.
he thrives in these types of environments.
I'm better than you, I'm better than all of you, and you know it.
I thought Ricky lived for these types of matches.
I saw Tommy Purr in a.
You love these pajamas.
Show of applause. Who thinks Ricky's better? Who thinks I'm better?
Close call.
It's rigged. I think Tommy Purr paid for half these tickets.
Hold on. That did not just happen. That didn't happen. That didn't happen. That didn't happen.
saw Tommy Purr in a Christmas match against Blackheart. And
Okay.
Blackheart is a pirate, and he's also mean, and he's very good with weapons.
Okay.
Tommy Purr,
Sounds like Buggy should take some lessons from Blackheart.
well,
Oh!
you know, Buggy's the fun type where he will, have knives in his boots, fun stuff. Blackheart, he has knives in the form of his chops. Tommy Purr took it to Blackheart in this Christmas match. I mean, there's all sorts of weapons strewn around the ring. They would open presents, and Tommy Purr just took it to Blackheart in, frankly, one of the best matches I've ever seen.
Well, I'm really interested to track down that one, but in the meantime, we got this great Mat Classic being presented to us right now. I have no idea what the rules of this thing are.
I don't know if you can have rules in this match.
I just see a bed made up in the middle of the ring. I see pillows strewn about. Whoa!
He's just trying to wrestle. It's a not, well, no, I mean, he was starting. I think he was trying to sweep the leg. He had him on a waist lock. If you sweep the leg, it can break the hold. I think we can all agree that's what Tommy Purr was trying to do.
Yeah, of course. That's definitely what he was trying to do.
You are so not even my type.
Sexuality is fluid.
Tommy Purr getting on his, I would agree with Tommy Purr. We all need to be sex positive here.
I'm very sex positive, but I'm also very wrestling positive, and I don't know what this is, Muse.
I'm positive it's not wrestling.
Positive it's something.
Okay, hammerlock.
Yeah.
I know that move.
That's your signature right there.
That's my signature.
Oh! Tommy Purr hitting the lip lock on Ricky Tenacious. The lip lock, of course, being one of the most dangerous holds in all of professional wrestling.
I probably know more hammerlock reversals than anybody in existence. I didn't know that was maybe it breaks the way he twists the hips. Does that break? I'm just trying to call a wrestling match.
You should start calling a pillow fight.
That's what this has turned into.
This is like a 13-year-old.
A brutal headshot from that pillow. Someone stop the match. A brutal pillow shot. We didn't get doctors in here.
Tommy Purr pouncing like a jungle cat, stalking his prey.
Stop the damn match. Cody needs to check him for blood.
Did he bust him open hard way with the pillow?
And Purr, standing tall in the destruction he has wrought. I thought this would be a fun match.
It's something.
Ricky stalking his prey.
No!
And
Oh my God! I guess Tommy Purr is taking some lessons from Joey Ryan.
I hope he has a cup.
Oh!
A cup, yeah, right.
Supporter.
Excellent. Do not hit him with that.
He did it! I have seen some foreign objects in my day.
DQ him!
Oh my God!
Bronco Buster! He's broken in half! Oh, don't hit him with it! Stop the match!
The humanity!
Tumbling out of the ring with the force of that pillow shot! Tommy Purr going for it.
No!
Baseball
Tommy Purr with a
slide.
baseball slide right to the face of Ricky Tenacious. Almost knocked him out of his onesie there.
Oh, he's got two pillows. The only thing more devastating than one pillow is two pillows. And just raining down those shots. Raining down. Stop the match. Cody, what are you doing? Oh, spraying him in the eyes with that hairspray. I mean, Ricky had to survive. He had to do what he took to survive.
No!
Jesus!
Just listen to those hard shots. He could have a concussion.
I think they're shooting on each other.
Oh my God! He throws the pillow in the ground. I think he just took out a fan.
Ricky is dissecting him. I think that's technically. Okay, the only thing more brutal than two pillow shots is Ricky singing.
Oh, yeah.
For your applause.
How is Ricky standing after that barrage of pillow shots?
I don't know, but Tommy Purr's just now getting to his feet, trading hard shots.
Purr throwing him in the ring.
Tommy is one angry kitty right now.
Oh, a brutal shot to the head. We, again, don't know the win conditions for this match. I mean, I haven't seen a man go for a pin.
Nobody's gone for a pinfall. Nobody's gone for a submission. Maybe you got to tuck him into bed. I don't know.
I think the win condition of this match is the heat death of the universe. Oh, and Tommy is asleep.
Oh my God! Is this?
He's asleep. Pin him. He's asleep.
Con pillow toe. Con pillow toe.
You sick fuck!
Oh, Ricky with a double axe handle in the back of Tommy.
These men are taking years, decades off their careers with this match. He just wanted to sleep, Ricky.
Let's dance.
I just want to advise people, do not try this at home.
Oh my God!
Per a test of strength. And interesting tactic from Tommy Purr. I guess he was using leverage.
I
hope he was
I
using
think Tommy's
leverage.
actually trying to actually wrestle the match, and Ricky just dropping that elbow, following up with a drop kick.
I'm glad these men have stopped hitting each other with pillows. Instead,
That was just brutal. It was hard to watch.
Yeah,
It was hard
I think
to
that-
watch.
Oh, it's so ugly.
oh, he's got that doll.
Is that the My Buddy?
That's a child. Put the child down.
He's only a boy.
Oh, no!
He's just a boy.
Stop it! Stop it! Don't do it! Don't do it! He's going for the Canadian Destroyer! He's going for the Canadian Destroyer! Oh my God! My God! Oh my God! He killed him! He killed him! You're a sick man!
Tommy Purr making it to his feet.
I don't think I've seen a more reviled man than Ricky Tenacious after what he did to that doll.
Fighting close to the corner. He is angered.
Fighting for the life of the doll that has been taken from him.
Seriously, who put that pole here?
No.
Purr fighting back.
Sends Ricky into the bed or the pool or whatever we're calling it. Oh! Tommy Purr with a Hurricane Rana on the pillow.
On the pillow! On the pillow!
Broken his
Oh
back,
my
dude.
God! On the pillow! Ricky's barely standing.
No, Tommy Purr with a head of steam. Runs right into the elbow.
Ricky's setting up.
Oh!
Satisfaction!
Oh! Ricky Tenacious has just been stratified.
Tommy Purr showing who's the real diva here.
No! Kicking out after 2. I guess it is one fall.
I think that was the first pin that we've seen in this match. So at least we have
I
some
think we're
idea.
locking down our victory conditions here, but
Maybe it's not the heat death of the universe. Maybe it's just a very long time.
no!
Oh my God!
Man, Pillownator! Ricky going for a cover. No! Tommy, how did he kick out?
I don't know.
He just got a pillow
I
straight
think
to
it's
the face.
impossible. Tommy Purr must be spurred on by the death of his doll.
See, the doll might be, the doll is still moving in the corner. The doll might be needing medical attention after this match.
Stops it! Oh my God!
The lip lock! The lip lock! No! Tommy Purr with a DDT! Right on the blanket.
Purr.
Oh, is he gonna? He's tucking him in.
Oh, he's tucking him in. After the death and destruction we've seen, it's nice to see some sportsmanship.
Ricky is confined in that blanket. Oh, Tommy Purr with the elbow from the middle rope. Oh my God! Somebody get some medical attention for the doll for Ricky Tenacious.
And Tommy Purr has come out victorious, avenging the untimely death of his doll.
You know, I've seen a lot of crazy things in wrestling, Muse, and that I gotta say, right there.
Probably the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Well, at least Ricky Tenacious is all bundled up for nap time.
And we need some, a little bit of crew to come out here, clean this place up. What's Tommy? Oh, is Tommy looking for the mic?
He is calling for a microphone.
Oh, thank you all for coming out to BVW Anarchy. This match was to determine who the Diva of the Year was going to be. Now, clearly, I won that match. You okay, Ricky? You okay, buddy?
I don't like it.
Oh, it's okay. I think Ricky likes it, don't you guys? Now, Ricky, this was a very special match. This was a pajama party Playhouse match. And you know the rule of any good sleepover is, the next day you always get breakfast in bed. So how about a little Mrs. Buttersworth for you?
Oh, man!
This is the most disgusting thing I've ever seen in my
It's all
life.
over his hair. That's gonna take forever to get out.
That's gonna like take 5 years to get out.
Making him all sticky.
He's gonna have to shave his head. The crowd just rubbing it in with sticky Ricky chins.
Ricky, you may not be Diva of the Year, but you certainly get the award for Chick of the Year.
Oh, he syrup and feathered him.
The connotations of that aside, what a humiliating way to be defeated by Ricky Tenacious.
You know, Ricky doesn't deserve this kind of disrespect.
Shut up!
Chicky Ricky!
He's gone from sticky Ricky to chicky Ricky.
I guess the only real loser tonight is you, Chicky Ricky.
You know, Ricky keeps putting himself in matches that are not his element matches.
He's a technical
He's
wrestler.
a technical wrestler, and he keeps getting in these types of matches.
He's letting himself get goated, that's why.
Absolutely, you're right.
Pride cometh before the fall, Muse. Look at that. You know, that's... Love Ricky Tenacious or hate Ricky Tenacious, no one deserves this, Muse.
Absolutely, you're right. I think that it's a cleanup crew.
That didn't happen! Yes, it did! That didn't happen! Yes, it did!
He's really hitting those high
Yeah,
notes.
Ricky really breaking down in front of us.
I have been in this company since day one, and I do this.
I think Ricky's finally realizing.
He's finally
I'm
snapped.
really good.
Yeah. As the help behind him tries to get the blanket out from under him.
Right? I'm really good.
What? Look at this. Not even the cleaning crew respects Ricky.
Nobody, you know, and I think that's kind of his fault.
No, he's not here anymore. Come on, stop that. It's disrespectful. I'm so much better than this, and you all know it. You know that I'm the best diva. I am the best wrestler. I'm the best tag team wrestler, the best triple threat wrestler, the best multi-man. Well, let me think about that. Hold on. Yeah, I'm good at all the wrestling. All the wrestling.
Was that?
What?
Is that Jody?
I believe that's Jody. Turn around, Ricky.
I think Ricky's humiliation has just started. Oh my God! Jody has taken it to Ricky Tenacious.
Now, we've seen Jody many times invading BVW over the last couple of months. Usually with his crony Jace in tow.
You know, the brawl between Ricky Tenacious and Jody it interrupted my celebration after I made my grand return, but that's fine.
Oh my God! But no, this isn't a match. This is a fight, folks.
Yeah.
Years of bad blood between Jody and Ricky Tenacious. Oh my God!
Security trying to...
Yeah, you were a little slow on the draw there, security.
Well, you know...